Hello, I'm Michael of aircompressor. This is 15 kilowatts removable screw compressor for laser. The pressure is 158 MPa, and the nose model is customized 60i. You can carry laser machine. Cutting machine, which is 3 kilowatts or below 3 kilowatts. Let me show you its configuration. Look at this. It uses a size 6070 large touch panel. Take a look at here. Here is a split heavy load inverter. Frequency converter. This is the oil gas bucket. Here is an oversized model 960 oil filter. It has a larger capacity. This pump pad is a brand customized 608 pump pad. Stable performance. It is equipped with a 5-stage precision filter. Here, this one primary filter, 2, 3 for 5, total 5 filters. It comes with a 16 kilograms pressure regulating valve. This side is for connecting with laser machine. Here is for air pipe. Here you can adjust the air pressure 5 kilograms to 6 kilograms. It is convenient for you to use other gases. This is dryer. Here's the pressure vessel. The detailed information. You can see these. Very standard. This machine is good quality with cheap price. You can contact me if you are interested.